Today's video, we're going to talk about taking a huge, massive loss trading the futures market. So today was definitely not a good day for me. I did start strong, even though I didn't really like the way the market moved today. I was in profit for most of the day until something happened. Until I decided to take that one last trade. You know how you're like, okay, one more, just one more. I'm good, I'm in the green, everything is fine, but I'll take that one last trade. And I know that whenever I do that, and it's not the first time, and I've been very, very, very careful not falling into that trap lately. That's why I was very consistent and stopped when I was happy with my profits. Here, as you can see, I mean, speaks by itself. I lost $1,200 and max gain was 339, like what I said. And the max drawdown was actually even worse. So, yeah, lesson learned, or maybe not. Who knows? So, yeah, like the thing is that I had a target in mind. I wanted to make exactly $341. Why? Because that's only what I needed to hit my target to go to the live account with my Take Profit Trader account. So I divided the target in 2 days because I have 2 days left to be able to pass it. I mean, I can take longer, but I wanted to do it in 5 days. And I divided that target in 2 days, and it was 341. Around 12, I was at $339, which is enough, right? I wanted to make this extra, few dollars. Why did I do that? So I wanted to make that extra $5 or something. I wanted to make, or $10. I don't know, like it's something ridiculous. And I took that last trade. I took a long when the market was at the top, and I knew, I was like, this is feeling really top heavy. It's gonna fall like a ton of brick. Wait for it. It's gonna happen. I was telling my husband, watch this, it's gonna fall. And he was like, I'm ready for it. I took that trade, and what happened? Of course, it happened. It fell. The market fell, and I did not close at 500 like what I thought I would do. I was like, okay, I'll close at 500. It's not going to go that far. I added more contracts. I went down to $1,500. drawdown, and I ended up closing at $1,200. I did not lose my account. Don't know how. Like, honestly, I was to the point where, it's going, I don't care, just blow up. Doesn't bother me anymore. You're wrecked. Didn't it did I didn't lose it, but now it's going to be a massive work to take it back to where it was. So, to tell you the truth, I don't think I'll be able to keep that account, but I will try. But honestly, if I do bring it back up, kudos to me, but I don't think I will because I'm not a pro. And obviously, with that rookie mistake I just did, shows me that I've got so much to learn. But anyways, the moral of the story here is that don't be stubborn. Um, don't like have stupid targets in your mind. If you ended your day in the green, um, don't have like those stupid targets in your mind. Like you want to make so much because you're gonna lose every time, every single time. And that was the proof. Whenever I have a target I want to hit, this is what happens. Whenever I don't have a target, I'm good. I'm fine. I end the day with whatever amount that I need to be in the green. I just want to be in the green and make like more than 100 if that's possible. And I'm happy. But today, I don't know. I think I was in the rush to end that goal. I wanted to get to the point like real quick. I was like, okay, in 2 days, it's your 5 days. Let's get to the point. And it didn't work out. And you know what? Like, I'm not ashamed to say it. I really sucked. And I mean, if this can be a lesson for you, for one of you, please take it. Don't do the same mistake. Don't make the same mistake that I make because I'm going to have to learn one day or another because this is not going to end well. I'm telling you. Anyways, see you tomorrow for another video. Bye, guys.